My name is Katie, and welcome to the Tatarian. My cocktail name is Tallowwood, made with Stranahan's Original. I chose Stranahan's Original for my barrel-aged cocktail because it offers a higher proof and a little bit of that chocolate to really enhance my cocktail. So we aged our barrel with the Stranahan's Original, Fernet Menta, Tempest Fuget Cacao de Creme, and Heirloom Pineapple Amaro. To make the Tallowwood cocktail, remove 3.5 ounces from the Stranahan's barrel into a Yari. Fill with ice and stir for 15 seconds. Drain until a big cube. Fire the absinthe on top and then garnish with a smoked pineapple. What interested me in doing a barrel-aged cocktail is I work at a very fun bar and we love doing very special drinks and cocktails. This is our first time to barrel-age something and we hope you all love it. My name is Katie at the Tatarian. Come try our cocktail, the Tallowwood, and vote for us for Barrel Royale.